Hello, Eternity community. My name is Danilo. I support the community with graphic design, for branding, as well as for UI design. I'm here today with my friend Michele. We are really excited to tell you something that we've been working on for the last couple of months now into making a reality. As passionate contributors of the Eternity ecosystem, we thought that it was going to be, it's already a good time to revamp the Explorer. The really nice and reliable Explorer that we all know and love. It's been with us for a while, and the Eternity ecosystem has evolved a lot during the time that it's being used. And yeah, we wanted to give it a new fresh face and a new approach. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you that to you today. So I want you to all meet today æScan. æScan is basically a new and complete, fresh way of approaching the inner workings of the Eternity network, the Eternity blockchain itself. The idea behind this is to put everything related to the whole ecosystem as a whole, as well as being able to access the specifics of it in a way that is user-friendly for expert as well as new users. And yeah, when you get to it, when you initially land on it, as it is right now, you will see information related to the price of the A token, as well as information about the market cap and other information about the distribution. But also you will be able to see the whole picture of what's happening at the blockchain level, including transactions, key blocks, rewards, the smart contracts, oracles, the names of the AENS system, and also information related to state channels. That's obviously like just the beginning. The next thing that happens when you scroll down a little bit is that you will also be able to see in real time what's happening in the ecosystem. As you see right now, the key blocks right now just moved. This means that like some blocks have been emitted. And in this case, you can also look at information specific within each key block that is happening right now. So if I select, for example, one of the past ones, I can see information related to it, including its height, hashed, when it was mined, as well as like who's the beneficiary of it, and the microblocks that are contained within that key block, from which I can also go and have a similar approach to it and look at, for example, the transactions that are within it. In this case, there are the three microblocks with three transactions within this microblock, and I can look at them individually, and then you can also access information specific to those specific elements. And then furthermore, you can also go and explore information on the AENS system names, as well as their auctions that are happening right now. And then information about state channels. This is basically the most freshest, latest information that happened on load. And yeah, now Michele can tell you a little bit more about how to find specific information. You want to take over?
Of course, Danilo. Thank you very much for the great introduction on æScan. Hello, everyone. I am Michele Franchi, and am one of the æScan contributors. And today I want to deep dive in the main features of æScan that you can find at the top. Let's have a look, for example, the transactions page. In this page, we'll be able to see all the most recent transactions that happened on Eternity blockchain, and you will also be able to filter them by type. For example, let's have a sample look at a SpendTX transaction. You can simply click on this link here, and we'll be able to see the detail of the transaction. This because one of our main goals was to make æScan user-friendly for everyone, especially for who is a beginner on the Eternity ecosystem. And in general, in this page, we'll be able to see details. For example, the sender, the recipient, and the amount, since we are talking about the SpendTX. This is the same for all the other entities, transaction names, smart contracts, and tokens, where you can browse all of them and also see the detail. Let's have another look at smart contracts. Here, you can see all the smart contracts that have been deployed to the Eternity mainnet. And you can, again, for example, click here. And you will be able to see the date of the smart contract, who created it, and all the other details related to the smart contract. If you scroll down, you can also see the call transactions of these smart contracts and the events associated to the contract. I just want to remind that this is an open source project, and since it is one of the main things we focus on æternity to make a blockchain available for all. So we want to invite you to click on this contribute button and visit our GitHub page and contribute to the project if you are a developer. Thank you. I'm now passing back to Danilo.
Thanks, Michele. Thanks for the thorough explanation. Yeah, like Michele said, this is an open source project, and please visit the GitHub repository. If you're a developer and want to contribute in it, all ideas are welcome. If you're not, or you just want to have a couple of ideas to be explored or discussed, we also have a really nice survey that you can find also on the æternity.com website. You can reach to it from æScan directly by clicking on that nice red banner. In here, you will be able to, tell us a bit about what you feel and give us a couple of ideas about what would you like to do or see, or, if you don't like it as well. The idea behind this is like the whole community gets involved, and yeah, we make æScan something even more special for everybody. And with that being said, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. We leave it to you. Please don't forget, by the time you see this video, probably will be already on æscan.io, fully deployed. And yeah, give it a browse, check some transactions. If you gave some AE to any of your friends, please, you can also review here that transaction. And yeah, let us know what you think. Have a lovely day, and yeah, don't forget to visit æscan.io.
Yeah, don't forget to visit it. And again, if you're a developer, feel free to open PRs on our GitHub page. And we are really, really looking forward to hear your feedback about this new æternity Explorer. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.